Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing on how you can transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to your Phantom wallet. Let's get started. Now what you need to do is open up the Coinbase or the CoinSwitch app and tap transfer. Tap send crypto. Once you've done so, enter your Phantom wallet address. Of course, double check and ensure that the address and network is correct. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, for example, Solana or USDC. Enter the amount you wish to send. You can toggle between sending in your native currency or in the asset itself. Now, tap Preview to review the transaction details. This step is important to ensure the correct network usage and to verify the address, the sent address, and of course to confirm the amount being sent. Now, all you simply need to do is tap Send to complete the transaction, and then your crypto should arrive in your Phantom wallet shortly, depending on the network congestion. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.